24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Explain to the children that in order to keep ourselves healthy, we need to take care of our safety as well. Show a knife and a pair of scissors and tell the children that these things are dangerous if used in a wrong way. Talk about the electric objects and sharp-edged things and ask the children to be careful about these things. Now show the picture of a tree and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a tree. It is green and its name is tree. Ask the children if they can tell about the tree. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that tree provides us food, protection, and homes for many animals. Now, show to the class a picture of a tent and frame the questions like you have asked about the tree. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter T and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter T. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the capital letter T with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children. Write the letter T on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter T and it says T. Say the sound of the letter T. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
T, T, telephone. T, T, telephone. T, T, telephone. T, T, telephone.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter T activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter T on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a straight line downwards. Then draw a straight line on the top. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter T with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter T in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize T. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter T can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.